Mahama wakwaba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TVGH so wo frame Addo searching
ya ban ya ban na de aba se ya ban no obue kom income tax akufo de yifri ho no omo de aba mama drivers fo nyina se drivers fo no omo twa 2 years income tax e wo mra ben so emre kwa mo nanso ye se se ya baji income tax enne amafo ba mefo na ba se omo ye de omba baji income tax we ha no drivers won sorry na krono no bebo ye 2 years income tax 2 years say hold on dada wrong ya ban na aba na fe de krono na manfo bebo ye ya ban no po nanso gaje so ze muntua tax o ba manfo sorry say taxi drivers on beti income tax 2 years wrong wrong mentiasie drivers mun chama dwen what you say sas mrase o so beti 2 years income tax ana because time 2 years na ba na kufu ade so year free o afa de o ma san ba say akufu ade covid time COVID ni time no and e twam no msta de so mo gi income tax emra ba na kire sa kro no omo ye we de aguya ba nanimu ase yes enti drivers no me ba drivers for no munya mo fa madwene mra de nka mom ye hwe ye nkasa awo income tax no say ye mra say awo so mo gi 2 years a mo kire madwene kasa wie
na we de mesre bisaw e de na ekoso former finance minister fi se Ghana ehu pa o hwe se obitimi twitu ko wura obi fi asemi be dwene ho a mente ase o ba bia Ghana ye ko no eya ehu e kire se we amro babi e di tuo we ko wura obi fi na ordinary person be di tuo ko wura obi fi e na CCTV camera e che nipa no a kasamle babi nipa ne da no e bia ka Ghana police for the mlab e de yi omo kan say omo the press release abada e de wanted abetu nipa ne so omo mpani Mahama papa yesla Ghana fo akasa ye de Ghana hye wonsa oman ne ye nyina ye dia Ghana enye nipa ba ku bia na nipa menu pe bi dia ye nyina ehia sumdwi ye nyina nso so ye wo ye right say ye tenase ye enjoy your life because see, mama kai movie be me share Satana mo secondary school the assassination the same thing omampani nia esi ye se unim hu bi nyo na wo sanhye ye se enkofa papa ne mfa ne mra sa nkro from di choko fio no papa wadaroma ye bibi ka bibi mamra bi nya adwuma na nia ekono eya ehu sabio okwase na se ye de meyonko na ye neme ye so koto sa abo bi tu nua so akaje sa abo sore ye so enka nkere ne se on sore ne so fi so fili so a wo de beba wo so tumi ye ninka so akamre kakra before years e wa haya empo eko 8 years empo e wa haya omi enhwe bibiye seremo Ghana ehia so dwie His Excellency John Dramani Mahama yaman pani wadaroma wudi nim so de mraye adwuma famraye adwuma enipa odi twoko kanofori atafie appointed person 30 bi agiramo a opa kura che no eyehu me de akere madwen oman na etimu no ehia sumpie Ghana enye anima farm esremu umamla enye adwuma wo ma wi because obi a wo right so watena se obi a wo right so onya nkwa na sasabe upia aboa wo ekonechi na efono no a emilika wo de ba no eyehu medamo ase
to high people. That's a good question for journalists to find out. But it could have even been discussed at the transition level. Nobody even knows. So those are the facts that we need instead of trying to paint somebody black just to score cheap political points.
Okay. But just before the commentator man forced to join it, do you think with just 1 month of NDC in power and just 1 month of more MPP in opposition, is NDC on track Because so far the president in 120 days, he seemed to be on track. Also, by appointing the ministers. I think almost ministers in the way we are. Just that people are disappointed. So, position. As a more if Mahama can say 60 ministers on Befa. So all of a sudden, we are young boy, I bet there be more panic. I said, I don't want friend. And I'm saying, I didn't want this or 60. I bet there be real lobby. And I say, who flyers now? Yes, I found your institution. We are there, so no relocation, reappointment. Yeah, never go another place. Permutation to also. So 1 month. Do you think President Mahama is on track?
As and that's what I was going to start from. Relocation, reappointment, 24-hour appointments. What do I say? It shows you something. Say, was there any thought process in appointing these people? Would you be called this agency? Now, almost 24 hours, the person is not competent. But was there a thought process? I appear that things are being done in a rush because they've seen the reality. Trust me, because some people say, "Omo buy, omo opposition. Never buy no manka. Go for oil. You buy, you become. We are going to continue it. What you say? What is opposition? Oh, and a Ghana dear, we are a spiritual nation. You buy a game, since you buy a different story altogether. Now they are singing from a different hymn book. What is it?
Bill now expire.
You see, but I'm giving you instances. What you say? Trying to build our reserves, backing our economy with gold. That's one of the brilliant things that we've done. No matter more opposition. Oh, yeah, but that wasn't good. They said, they are going for it. What I say? All the things that they said that they were going to cancel. No, may try and say I'm about to cancel e-levy. I'm about to cancel betting tax. All those things haven't been done. Which appointments? 24-hour appointments. There's a lot of confusion going on. Obia and Pegana, but we want Mahama to succeed. I said, we'll win power not through the failures of Mahama, win power because Ghanaians will be able to compare after 8 years. Yes, MPP for buying, mistakes there. But I did say no to me yeah. But they will compare us to NDC. So that I don't have any problem at all. But when you must 30 with 24-hour appointments, I don't think they're on track. He's done something good. He's been able to reduce the amount of ministers. That is good in a sense. But I have a question on some of the appointments. It's not personal. Like I'm attacking people personally. But I think that there are some state institutions, or more down or no, I don't think that they have the requisite experience. With a PMMC. What I say, this is a very critical. This is a very critical. Something that is very good in what he does, communication here. But this is a very critical state institution. You need somebody with a lot of experience, law experience. That is because you're managing the state resources. But I think something that could have been allocated to a different ministry where he could have done a better job. But I think where he is, maybe the president knows something that I don't know. Now, those are the little things that I have a problem with since some of these positions. 24-hour CUs, because I'm going to do what the laptop. He doesn't even have any idea.
Was also a lawyer like Sammy JP. He didn't have any
he had 10 years. He was a deputy. He had over 10 years of experience. He had practiced law. Yes. No, he was a deputy. PMMC. Go and check. Okay. Yes, he had over 10 years of experience in that institution.